Have you ever felt an uncontrollable urge to eat, even when you weren't really hungry? Maybe after a stressful day when you're anxious or even just bored. If this happens often, your hunger might not be physical, but emotional. And this could be sabotaging your weight loss without you even realizing it. In today's video, I'll show you the 3 biggest signs that your hunger isn't physical, and more importantly, how to stop emotional eating without guilt and without struggle. So hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because these tips will completely change your relationship with food. Sign number 1. Your hunger comes on suddenly and feels very intense. Physical hunger develops gradually. You start feeling a light emptiness in your stomach, which slowly increases. But emotional hunger? It appears suddenly and demands immediate satisfaction. If you feel a strong, urgent craving, especially for specific foods like sweets, fast food, or something very high in calories, this is a sign of emotional hunger. Why? Because your brain isn't looking for energy. It's trying to cope with an emotion. How to fix it? Before you eat, pause and ask yourself, would I eat a plate of homemade food right now? If the answer is no, it's probably not real hunger. What am I feeling at this moment? Many times, the urge to eat comes from anxiety, boredom, or stress. If it's emotional hunger, try waiting a few minutes, drinking a glass of water, or taking a short walk. You'll see that many times the craving passes. Sign number 2. You eat without paying attention and still feel unsatisfied. Physical hunger makes you eat until you feel satisfied. But with emotional hunger, you can eat large amounts and still feel like something is missing. That's because you're not eating to nourish your body, you're trying to fill an emotional void. If you notice that you're eating mindlessly, without even tasting your food, or if you still feel unsatisfied even after eating a lot, it's a strong sign that your hunger isn't physical. How to fix it? Practice mindful eating. Turn off distractions and pay attention to your food. Before eating, take a deep breath and check in with your body. Are you really hungry, or are you just looking for comfort? Find new ways to cope with emotions. Instead of eating out of anxiety, try journaling, listening to music, or taking a walk. Sign number 3. You feel guilty after eating. If after eating you feel regret, guilt, or think, why did I do that again? This is a clear sign of emotional hunger. Physical hunger is a natural need. When you eat to nourish yourself, there's no guilt involved. But emotional hunger is tied to feelings, and eating becomes a way to escape emotions instead of dealing with them. The problem is that this creates a cycle. You eat to relieve an emotion, then feel guilty, and that guilt makes you eat again. This could be stopping you from losing weight. How to fix it? Remove guilt from food. Eating shouldn't be a punishment or a reward. Be kind to yourself. Instead of judging yourself, try to understand what triggered the emotional eating and find healthier ways to handle your emotions. Create new strategies for emotional comfort. Instead of turning to food, try distracting yourself with a hobby, talking to someone, or doing something relaxing. Now that you know the 3 biggest signs of emotional hunger, it's much easier to recognize when your hunger isn't real and stop it from interfering with your weight loss. If this video resonated with you, comment below. Which of these signs do you recognize in yourself? And if you want to learn more about how to lose weight without guilt and without crazy diets, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video.